Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daydran. Pull Up has been included in the list of the best songs of 2022, curated by U.S. publication New York Times. The list, comprising 70 songs, sees the Jamaican reggae singer getting the nod for the 23rd spot. According to the critics, the list depicts 70 tracks that identify, grapple with, or simply dance away from the anxieties of yet another uncertain year. Alluding to the Grammy Award winner's entry, the prominent publication states that Koffee has a contagious positivity about her, and this reggae single is an effortless encapsulation of her spirit. Pull Up is featured on Koffee's 10-track album Gifted, which was released in March by Promised Land Recordings Columbia Records. Gifted is nominated in the Best Reggae Album category for the 2023 Grammy Awards, which will be held at the Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles on February 5. It is ranked number 38 on Rolling Stone magazine's 100 Best Albums of 2022 list and finished the year at number 8 on Billboard magazine's Top 15 Best-Selling Reggae Albums list of 2022. On the international scene, the first episode of Harry and Meghan's Netflix docu-series was seen by 2.4 million people on US TV sets on its launch day. That is one of the biggest single-day audience for any Netflix show. The first 3 episodes in the Duke and Duchess's highly publicized 6-part series became available on Netflix yesterday. In addition to the 2.4 million viewers on the first installment, episode 2 had 1.5 million viewers on the first day, and then the third part attracted 800,000. The final 3 episodes of the series will be available on Thursday, December 15. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daydran. Thank you for watching.